How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a quick look at the Baofeng. This one is the 5R Mini. It comes as a twin set, and in the box here you get the lovely little green one and a nice little orange one. Little matching pair. I must say, guys, these are very, very small radios, tiny little radios. You get two antennas. Also here we have two lanyards. Two USB-C type chargers. And two belt clips. So a nice little collection in the box. Not too shabby. There we are, two nice little radios side by side. And these are very, very small radios. And there's the collection from the box. So I suppose from here on in we'll take a look at the orange one. Just because I think the yellow is overdone. There's too many Motorola's and Baofengs and Radtels in this yellow colour. But this one is the orange type, so it's quite nice. Nice for a change. Type C charging. So we have the Kenwood style programming and headphone jacks. Also for the microphone, of course. Pop on the little belt clip. This one is quite stiff. Takes a little bit to get it into place, but nice and secure now. Tiny little antenna. And the antenna is rated at 136 to 174 megahertz. And also 400 to 520 megahertz, a dual band antenna. Very small though, as I said. I couldn't see it being too efficient long distance, but for short communications back to back, I think this is a nice little size, especially with such a small radio. We're keeping it down small. A quick look at the battery here, and we have 2200 milliamp hours, which is pretty decent. And the charge limit is 8.4 volts. And of course USB charging, which is a nice feature. No cradle with this one, which is unfortunate. It doesn't look like there is a cradle available. There's no contacts on the battery. But USB charging, that's always a bonus. And the battery itself clicks in quite snugly. It's got one of these little push tabs like the Motorola's. And the push tab pushed downwards and it releases the battery shell. Pop on the antenna and it's still quite a small unit. Very, very small. You see them side by side. You got the green, you got the orange. Nice little set. As you can see the size of it there by the Anytone. And even if we put the Kwangshan that we reviewed last, put that side by side, you can see these are very small, really, really tiny, tiny little handhelds. Very convenient for in the pocket. And the first switch on we have a nice color screen. Nice and legible. Nice big letters, big characters. We have that annoying voice channel mode. I had to find a way of switching that one off. Drives me crazy half the time. A bit closer. take a quick look at the menus. I have a scan. Let's have a look here now. Let's see, can we find this voice and turn it off? Radio set. You got a step, squelch, power, Vox. Oh, it's got Vox built in. Handy feature. You go back, voice. That's got to be her. Let's have a look. We'll turn her off. Dual watch. We'll leave the dual watch on. Dual watch is basically listening to both frequencies at the same time. So A and B band will be both listened to, and neither will be muted. Got a bit of activity there going on the node. Somebody pricking around and keying up for no reason. Her handy torch. It's actually a bright one. Usually these torches are useless, but at least this one's got a decent amount of light to it. Search feature. Of course, I should be reading the manual so I know what's going on, but you know me, never look at the manual, throw it to one side. So look, if we key up, let's see, can we search the frequency? That's close. It's not dead on, but it's close. 433999925. Should be 43400, but handy feature to have though. If you're not sure of the frequency of another radio, key it up. Set this one into search mode and it'll automatically scan and register the frequency as close as it can. A little Bluetooth icon here. I think that's for programming. I think I read on the manual back page that it's Bluetooth programming. So you can program this with your mobile phone on the fly. It's a handy feature. Something I have to look at. I haven't actually played with the app, so we'll go around, but it looks pretty straightforward. Looks like we can program it by hand or by phone. Firmware version 0.26, a very new firmware. Baofeng are pretty decent for giving out firmwares when needed, so if there's any errors or mistakes making, I'm sure Baofeng will update us and send out that firmware for us to get the radio back on track. Here's a view of the USB-C charge port, a little LED. The LED will change color according to what it's doing, whether it's charging or whether it's full. So we'll have a little look at the radio side by side up close with the Anytone. As you can see, it's very small. It's really small compared to the Anytone. And the side view. Anytone monsters over it. And then beside the Quanshang, again similar in thickness, but very small compared. Very pocket friendly. So there you have it. A little yellow and a little orange. Baofeng UV-5R Mini. What do we think? One of the smallest, cheapest radios on the market. Both of these come as a set. and they're coming in at around 44 euros, which is a great price in my opinion. 44 euros, two little radios, two little back-to-backs. Use them locally with family members, maybe around the house, maybe if you have a store, use them back-to-back with the staff. Pretty decent buy all round. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed this little rundown of the UV-5R Mini. If you like my content, give me a like and a subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.